పిల్లలు, ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని కొత్త పదాలు నేర్చుకుందామా? నా తరువాత 2 సార్లు ఈ పదాలను పలకండి.
Children, let us learn some new words. Please repeat after me 2 times. School.
Bell.
Morning.
Story.
Home. Let us say, we run to school when we hear the bell. I have storybooks at home.
పిల్లలు, ఇప్పుడు కాసేపు మాట్లాడుకుందామా?
Let's talk. Who is calling us in the rhyme? What do we do in the school? How does your school bell ring? What do you bring with you in your bag to school?
పిల్లలు, క్రింద ఇచ్చిన బొమ్మను చూసి కాసేపు మాట్లాడుకుందామా? కొన్ని వాక్యాలు గట్టిగా చెప్దామా?
Let's look and talk. Look at the picture and talk about it. Read the sentences aloud. He is our headmaster. He is our teacher. They are my friends. It is our playground.
Thank you, children. Children, let us listen to the story, My School.
Hi, I'm Jyoti. The school is the place where I go to study. I like my school very much. I go to my school daily. I walk to my school. School bell rings in the morning. I go in line to assembly.
My school has many classrooms. My school has a big playground. My school has a garden. My school has a library. My school has a flagpole.
I have many friends in the school. We learn to write in the school. We learn to read in the school. We learn many new things in our school. We play, sing, and dance in our school. Our teacher tells us stories. We keep our school clean.
Thank you, children.
పిల్లలు, జ్ఞాపకం ఉంచుకోవాల్సిన కొన్ని పదాలను నేర్చుకుందామా? నా తర్వాత 2 సార్లు ఈ పదాలను పలకండి.
Children, let's learn some new words. Repeat these words 2 times after me.
Assembly.
Classroom.
Library.
Garden.
Flagpole.
Thank you, children.
పిల్లలు, ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని వాక్యాలను పలుకుదామా? నా తర్వాత 2 సార్లు ఈ వాక్యాలను పలకండి.
Children, let us say some sentences. Repeat these sentences 2 times after me.
We stand in the first row in the assembly.
There are so many books in the library.
Our classroom is always clean.
My grandma grows lilies in our garden. Thank you, children.
పిల్లలు, ఇప్పుడు కాసేపు మాట్లాడుకుందామా? ఈ ప్రశ్నలకు సమాధానాలు ఇవ్వండి.
Children, let us talk for some time. Answer these questions.
How does Jyoti go to assembly?
What does she learn in the school?
Does she play in the school?
Who tells stories?
How do you spend your time in school?
Thank you, children.